The dark web isn't just a place for anonymous browsing. It's a live ecosystem where hackers buy, sell, collaborate, and sometimes compete. If you want to understand modern cybercrime, you have to understand how the dark web fits into the picture. Let's break it down with real case studies. Case 1. Ransomware as a Service, RAS. One of the fastest growing threats in cybersecurity isn't an individual hacker, it's a business model. Ransomware as a Service lets non-technical criminals rent malware tools from professional developers. Here's how it works. A hacker group builds a ransomware platform. They post it to dark web forums or marketplaces. Buyers get access to the tool, sometimes with customer support, payment gateways, and even analytics. In return, the developers take a cut of every ransom paid. One major platform, Revel, operated this way, pulling in tens of millions of dollars before being disrupted by law enforcement. The code was hosted off-chain, communications were encrypted, and payments were handled in Monero. Case 2. Credential dumps and access markets. When you hear that a major company was breached, the stolen data often ends up on the dark web. On forums like Exploit, Breach Forums, or Genesis Market before takedown, hackers post or sell email password combos, internal VPN credentials, bank logins, admin access to company tools. Sometimes it's a one-time dump. Other times it's access as a service, ongoing login sessions for rent. One attacker, for example, sold remote desktop access to 3,000-plus systems across U.S. schools and hospitals, priced by geography and privilege level. Case 3. Tool sharing and zero-day trading. Not all hackers are in it for money. Some use the dark web to share exploits, malware source code, or even undisclosed vulnerabilities, known as zero days. Private invitation-only forums are used to vet members and distribute files. One real example. A hacker uploaded a working exploit for a major router brand undetected at the time. Within 24 hours, thousands of home and business networks were exposed. The vulnerability wasn't patched for weeks. Case 4. Activism and ideological ops. Not all hacking on the dark web is criminal in nature. Some groups, like Anonymous, use it for operations targeting authoritarian regimes, human rights abusers, or corporations they deem unethical. Their forums, leaks, and planning tools often live on Tor, with security-first infrastructure designed to avoid surveillance. One campaign posted leaked internal documents from a global oil company revealing environmental violations and political lobbying. It sparked investigations and protests. The takeaway? Hackers use the dark web for more than buying tools. It's where reputations are built, where business is done, where ideologies are expressed. And for cybersecurity professionals, law enforcement, or journalists, understanding this world is no longer optional. It's essential, because what happens in the shadows often makes headlines in the light.